drinking water is purified? What do you know about the RO system? And the main question, is RO water safe for us? RO in your RO purifier stands for reverse osmosis. After repeatedly passing through 4 to 5 semi-permeable membranes, all particles as small as 0.0001 microns are filtered out. These particles are about 500,000 times smaller than a single strand of your hair. The question now arises, why do we need RO system? Why can't we drink water directly from rivers? Pathogenic microorganisms like bacteria, viruses and fungi, heavy metals like lead, arsenic and mercury, soil and dirt, pesticides and insecticides form just the tip of the iceberg. Therefore, treating water before consuming it is not only beneficial, but it's necessary. After filtration, essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, sodium and iron are lost, which changes the taste of water and also leads to various deficiencies if your diet doesn't make up for the lost metals. You can prevent this by consuming food rich in minerals or adding a remineralization cartridge to your RO purifier. RO membranes are susceptible to breakage because of either wear and tear or chloride ions present in municipal water. This allows bacteria, viruses and salts to pass through easily. To prevent this, you must replace your RO purifier every year. The amount of water discarded is almost double as compared to purified water, which results in a huge wastage of this essential fluid. If you want to invest in a good RO system, you have to be ready to loosen your pockets, as this water purifier is very expensive. Other than RO system, there are many different kinds of water purifiers like UV filter, which kills microbes most efficiently, candle filters that were earlier most commonly used, activated charcoal purifier and ultrafiltration method. You will be surprised to know that simply boiling water for 15 minutes is as effective as these complex machines. However, boiling is a very cumbersome process and impurities settle down instead of getting discarded. Earlier simple methods like boiling, exposure to sun, filtering through charcoal and straining were enough to keep water safe for drinking. This shows that a little impurity never hurt anyone, and keeping your drinking water as natural as possible is the key to a healthy life.